Hello, this is the first video and I'm going to tell you how to install Ubuntu and how to enable DPDK library. First of all, you should have a GNS program. It doesn't matter in host application, it is Windows or Linux. I will show you this example on Ubuntu 18.04. So I have a GNS and I will attach with this video simple instruction how to install it, and also I have a Scapy program that I can generate some simple network packets. Let's start. First of all, I have some had some commands that allow to build a small network between host machine and remote and virtual machine. Okay, I will show you which commands I used. To enable the network between these two machines, you should do this command. If you will do it manually, you should write sudo before these commands. For example, you have no access. Now it's done. Okay, this is simple for commands. In these commands, this is your main interface, which gives you internet. I will show you on command line. I have this interface, and it's connected to my router, so I can check my internet this way. Internet is working. Also, you need some images for install Ubuntu. You can get it from internet. Here you should choose this one. This is a small image of Ubuntu without Windows, without graphics, but it's enough for checking. First step, you should open the GNS 3 and make some easy actions. I have a QEMU virtual machines, and I will show the preferences. First of all, you should set that the RAM is about 2000 megabytes, and you should have two virtual CPUs on it. You should create virtual HDA. It will be your emulation of hard disk, and put here the path from your minimal Ubuntu ISO, and here within additional settings you should copy this, and here it's network adapters for our virtual machine. I set 5, but you can set not so much. 3 is enough for all. Okay, let's start from begin. I place here the machine image, and I should put here this host emulation. Here I will create few interfaces that we will see on my host machine. Okay, 3 if is enough for the start. Okay, now I'm going to connect this to this, and I made a mistake. I always make this mistake. Okay, this first, second and third. Okay, so it's virtual cable, and I connect to my machine and I just push start. Okay, here we see Ubuntu installation. It's okay. Just press enter and now we choose the interface, which one will be with internet, and now Ubuntu try to get IP address by DHCP, but it's not going to happen because we have no DHCP in local network. So now while Ubuntu is try to install, I'm going to configure my new interfaces. After I push start button, 3 new interfaces disappeared. I can check it with this command, and I have this. I'm going to set IP address on this interface. Now I can see it interface and it works. I can check is it up or not. My interface is up and connected, I think, should be. Okay. The installation, the checking DHCP is fault. Now I configure my network manually. I'll give the machine my personal network address. The gateway is correct, but the name server, I have no name server on my machine, so I choose Google. After this, I should check that I have internet, so I just ping my machine. Success. It doesn't matter which name you put here. It's okay. Now Ubuntu will download some files because it's my minimal image, and Ubuntu have to download a lot of information. I'll push pause because I don't want to waste your time. Okay, next part of installation, we should choose user and password to this user. It's very important, and don't forget your password. For test machine, my advice will be that you shouldn't set a very complicated password that you might forget. So it's and same password. Yes, I want to use weak password. Okay. Yes, I want to use entire disk. Yes, I want to write changes. Okay. Now I set pause again because this process can take a lot of time. Okay, the next step. Of course, I don't want to automatic updates. And pause again. Okay, now the task, what exactly I want to install, which services. We need just one services, it's open SSH, and continue. Okay, the installation almost finished. Okay, of course we need grub. Yes. Now installation is complete. Now we should demount our installation images. Okay, so we just stop GNS, configure, and okay, now it should work. Okay, yes, I want to run Ubuntu. Okay, let's check our IP address. It's okay, but I stopped the GNS, so I should reconfigure my network interface. I just used arrow up, and okay, this is command that I should apply again. Okay, let's check. Ping is okay, and try to connect by SSH. Okay. Yeah, it's success. Now I'm on this machine. On this video you will have another touch file that we should copy and apply. The Ubuntu have some packet manager, it's apt, and we should install some packages. Sorry. Okay. Yes, I want to install 1 GB of information. And of course I open new window and connect again, because I don't want to wait while installation will be finished. Okay. Okay, and we should download DPDK. It's quite easy. We just open DPDK.org site, download page, and just copy this link, copy link location, and use wget. Okay. I don't want to. Oh my god, I forget. And start to download Wireshark application. But I don't need it. On host machine I don't need Wireshark and GNS3. Okay, we downloaded, and now we unpack it. Remove archive and rename directory. And we have to wait while the system will install all files. Okay, it's done. Okay, now I will fix some run script to make the buildings more faster. Okay, just add this. It tells to compiler that it can work with 8 threads, not just one. And yes, I want to say okay. Now just start DPDK start script. Okay, 16 is our target. Native Linux app GCC compiler. Now it starts to download or to build it, and we have to wait again, and I have to push pause again. Okay, the DPDK is ready, but we should do some more. We should insert DPDK driver, of course. We should allocate huge pages. It's for DPDK application. 500 is enough, I think. 500 pages, it's about 1 GB. And bind, now we can bind some interfaces. We should buy 2 interfaces on this example. This is our internet interface, and we can't bind it, but we can bind this one and this one. Okay, I just copied this and this. Okay, now we are ready. Now to start DPDK application and build any DPDK application, we should set some environment variables. Okay, this script will enable all environment variable when you enter in new terminal session. Here I will put path to DPDK folder and one more. And I should copy it. I enter to DPDK folder and just copy this. Okay, it's done. Now we should reconnect. And check. Yeah, it's done. DPDK have a good documentation, so we will use it. Okay, our target, our main goal today is run simple l2 forwarder. Okay, this is simple instruction. I know how to compile this, but I always forget how to run it. So to compile, we should change directory to the DPDK examples l2fwd and just make it. It's done. Change directory, and now we should run it. Okay, use the instruction, and we have only 2 ports, so we will change it. We should have now only 1 queue, and we have not so much cores. We set it here in configuration, and we have only 2 CPUs, so we should set 2 from 0 to 1. Okay, I just copied. And of course I need root privileges to run network application, so this is not necessary. This port mask, just 2 ports. Okay, and it works. Okay, now we have working DPDK application, but we should check it, of course. Now I switch to my host machine. Just open new terminal, new window terminal. Okay, I will use another 2 interfaces. By the way, when you install the Ubuntu have no ifconfig, so you should install it. And Ubuntu will tells you what you should install. Just copy it and it will be ok. I have first interface, third and first, fourth and fifth, because I gave two interfaces to DPDK application. Okay, and another, again my host machine. I should just up these interfaces, this and this. Simple command. And this. Okay, now they're up, and I will start Wireshark program that will show all packets with sudo, of course. If you don't add sudo before start Wireshark, you can't capture files from real interfaces. And I connect to one interface, and it's done. Next step, I will use Skype application to generate simple packet and to send it to the LAN interface, and the path of packets will be from LAN interface to my machine. My machine will get it from DPDK application and send it to one interface. So I will catch here, and I will send from this interface. It's quite easy. Oh, I should install Skype again. It's quite easy on Ubuntu. Just okay, now I have Skype. So easy command to send some packet. Now I will make this packet. It doesn't matter which addresses I will use, but I will specify the destination IP address to find it inside this Wireshark application. Now I add transport level. And some gate data. And I should specify in which interfaces I want to send this packet. Please look at the command. It's send p, not send. It have some differences, and this is LAN. Okay, success. And here I see this interface, this packet. So it works, and we can see it in l2fwd application, how many packets he sent and how many packets he transmit. It's not just one packet, because Ubuntu try to find who is on the another corner of your interface, who is connected, and Ubuntu will send a lot of garbage packets. To make sure that I really send this packet, I will send more than one packet. I will variate source IP address. So I will send 220 and 56. Okay, now I see here, and I will make sure that okay, yes, I received, and I send it, and I sent. Okay, it's work, and here is my hello phrase, and here Wireshark will show me what inside the packets. I can see the level 2, it's Ethernet. Here it's it's same addresses. Here I will see my IP addresses. I also can see it here. My level 4 ports, source port and destination ports, like in my packet here, and my phrases here. You can read it. Okay, it's done. Good luck, guys.